Good morning, students. So, today we are going to continue with the same lesson, that is the third lesson from the Beehive. The lesson is The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. Till now, we have seen that what kind of a relationship it was there between Kezia, the main character of our story, and between her father and mother. Her grandmother, she was trying her level best to make up their relationship, but that was uh, in vain. Okay, so that's what we have seen, and also one incident we have seen in the last lecture. That is what the when she tore up the important pages of her father to fill up a pin cushion which she wanted to present as a gift to her father on his birthday, but that the pages which she tore, that were very important for her father, and when he came to know that Kezia herself tore them, he got angry over him and beat her with a ruler. So after that, what happened? So from that incident only, she started to fear a lot with her father, and she started to move away from him. Also, we have seen that she used to stutter. Stutter means what? She was means she was not speaking clearly with her father, but with the others she was speaking with very normal. So that's what we have seen. Now, one day, what she found, that McDonald's family lived next to her house. Means they were the neighbors. One evening she saw him, Miss McDonald's, Mr. McDonald. He was playing a tag with his children. A baby was on his shoulders, and two little girls were hanging on his coat pockets. They were laughing all the time, means they were really enjoying that moments with their father. She found them feel very friendly with their fathers, and hence she realizes that all fathers are not the same. So, and she also started to thought about her own father, that how her father was behaving very strangely with her. Suddenly, Kezia's mother becomes ill, and her grandmother goes to the hospital to accompany her mother. She is alone at home under the care of Alice, the cook. So Alice was a cook in their house, and she was there in her house with her. But a fear grows in her when Alice put her to bed. That was a night time, and Alice wanted to move to her own house. She tells her about the nightmare which had visited her sometimes back. That night, Kezia had a nightmare. It's the same nightmare she had at that same night. She was crying out of fear, and when she woke up, she found her father beside her bed with a candle in his hand. She thought that her father is holding a knife. He asked her what the mother was, what the matter was. Sorry. When he came to know about her nightmare, she explained about what she had seen in her dream. Nightmare means what? Nothing but only a bad dream. When he came to know about her nightmare, he blew out the candle, bent down, and caught up the child in his arms. He carried her to the big bedroom of theirs. He laid her on the bed and lay down beside her. After some time, still half asleep, she crept close to her father, pushed her head under his arms, and held tightly on his shirt. So that's what, only due to the fear, she came close to her father. Her father told her to rub her feet against his leg and get them warm. So at this moment, her father was really behaving very softly with her. Now Kezia realized that her father was not as harsh as she thought. Means it was only her thinking that her father is a very giant-like person. She realized that her father had to work all the day long and got so tired that he could not play with her. So this is the only reason why her father was not playing with her. She realized that her father wanted to understand his compulsion. Means her father also make her wanted to understand about his compulsion or about his situation. At the bottom, he was a very good person and having a very big heart. So she realized that. So this is how the story of a Kezia, it is given for the study to us by Catherine Mansfield. Thank you.